Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust headlights on your Kia Sorento. First, park your vehicle on a level surface about 25 feet from a wall or garage door. Make sure your tire pressure is correct and remove any heavy loads from the vehicle. Then, measure the distance from the ground to the center of each headlight lens. Next, use tape or chalk to mark the wall. Draw a horizontal line at the measured headlight height and vertical lines directly in front of each headlight's center. Now, open your hood and find the adjustment screws on the back of each headlight assembly. You'll typically need a Phillips head screwdriver or sometimes a 10mm wrench for these. With your marks ready, cover one headlight with a towel and turn on your low beams. For vertical adjustment, turn the screw to move the beam up or down. Aim for the top edge of the low beam cutoff to be 2 to 4 inches below your horizontal mark. Then, adjust the horizontal screw to center the brightest part of the beam on its vertical line. Once one headlight is adjusted, repeat the entire process for the other side. Double-check that both beams are aimed correctly and provide clear visibility without dazzling oncoming traffic. Proper headlight alignment significantly improves night driving safety. Remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic socks and other great deals. Drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.